Hey guys, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this really cute floral arrangement box. This type, not this one exactly, but the one that looks similar to this, the original, the OG. That's really trending right now. I want to say they start at like $80 or $90, and it's like a 9 roses or whatever, but they're supposed to last for like a year at least. I was at Joann's one day and I seen this box, and it's actually a hat box, and I was just like,
with that gold trim and that pinky everything, like that goes perfect, and I should make that box. So
I got this from Joann's. It was $20, and I had a coupon. I think I paid $12 for it. And then these roses, these are like real touch roses. They're really soft, kind of like a foam and something else. But anyway, yeah, I got these from Amazon. It came in a set of 30 for $13.99, I think. I ended up having like 3 left too, so that was a good deal. But I mean, if you don't want to spend that much on that arrangement for yourself, or you just want to make it yourself, this is definitely something really easy and cute to make, so why not? But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I made that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the pink hat box I got from Joann's, and those foam cubes I got right from Dollar Tree in the floral section. I'm just going to use those as the base for the roses.
Location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I sometimes wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially. I didn't wanna fall for you.
Yeah, so please don't struggle like me after an hour of trying. Just bend it if you don't have wire cutters. Bending it is easier.
I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place, time and place. Give me your location, direction. I don't need nothing else but
Okay, so by now you're pretty much done. You're just gonna fill in where you have any gaps at, and then basically just fitting it to your liking. So if you want to keep the flower sitting up higher like that, or if you want to have them sitting down lower. Like I ended up doing that because it has like a more compact look, but either way it's cute. Okay guys, so I know during the video, the roses, they were sitting more like up higher towards this, like I think I want to sit up here. But anyway, the only different thing I did, I literally put my hand in here and I just pushed each stem down more into the foam, just because I like how it gave it a more compact look, so all the roses are more flush. You don't really see any gaps or anything. So I just wanted to let you know I didn't redo the box or anything. It's the same one. You could just either leave the roses up high how they are, or if you want a more flush look, just push them down more. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this video, please like and comment below, and definitely subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Bye.